Hi, I'm Jarrett of Stone Soup Farm, and I'm here today to tell you how to grow cucumbers. Cucumbers are often grown in raised beds, such as this one, and they're also sometimes grown in mounds. If you do a raised bed system like this, it's good to have the soil freshly tilled, nice and loose, and pile it into beds and form the edges. If you're going to do it in mounds, then you can build the mounds with the soil that's around them. If you're going to plant in mounds, then you can do about 4 to 5 seeds per mound and space the mounds about 2 to 3 feet apart. And what you would just do is put a little hole in the top, maybe 2 inches deep for cucumber seeds, pop them in, close it up, and water it really well. If you're going to do it in rows, then you can make out the row and put the cucumber seeds in about 1 inch deep every 18 inches or so. Do 2 seeds every 18 inches and have those rows be about 2 feet apart. Cucumber plants are not frost tolerant, which means that if you plant them before a frost and it does frost, they will die. So you should wait until the last frost in your area is over to plant, but do it soon after that because cucumbers take a little while. So they'll start to grow, and it's good to harvest the cucumbers consistently every couple of days when they are in season and when you're getting actual cucumbers out of it. If you leave them on the plant too long, they'll enlarge too much and they'll become yellow and kind of sour, and the plant will stop producing new cucumbers. So it's important to keep on top of them. Water them throughout the season pretty thoroughly, especially when they're producing the cucumbers on the plant, and keep it weed free because that will increase your yields as well. I'm Jarrett from Stone Soup Farm, and that's how to grow cucumbers.